Hi, I'm Daniel from ligo.co.uk and this is the Panasonic KX-TGJ320 Cordless phone. The TGJ320 is a premium cordless phone from one of the most popular brands on the market, so let's take a closer look and see if it lives up to their reputation. Panasonic have produced a huge range of both cordless and corded phones over the years. They're generally solidly built pieces of kit, and the TGJ320 is no exception. This is one of their mid-range models, and while it may not be as premium as some other models out there on the market, it's certainly not far behind. The handset itself is pretty sleek, and the backlit buttons are nice and large. The screen is a good size too, and it's also full colour, which we find makes navigating menus that little bit simpler. So that's all about the design, but what about the sound quality? This is perhaps the most important thing to look for in a cordless phone, and it's why we test all the phones we sell in-house to make sure they meet our high standards. And the TGJ320 certainly does meet those standards. It sounds great both on and off speakerphone, with only a slight dip in sound quality during the latter. It's one of Panasonic's better sounding phones, and we'd almost put it up there with some of Gigaset's top rated phones for sound quality. Somewhat unusually for a cordless phone, it also has an equalizer mode which lets you adjust the audio to your own preferences. This is great for older users who may struggle to hear higher frequencies. As with most cordless phones, the Panasonic TGJ320 is relatively straightforward to set up. Just plug the base into your phone line and power socket and it's ready to go. Panasonic's manuals aren't the best. There's an abridged version included in the box with the full manual available online. And if you have any questions that aren't answered by the manual, then the LIGO team are always on hand to help. The TGJ320 is also repeater compatible, which means it's possible to increase the range if this is a problem in your home. The TGJ320 also has a number of useful extra features that are worth mentioning. There's a talking caller ID feature, which is something that quite a lot of our customers ask us about. When this is switched on, it will announce the name of the caller if the person is in your phone book, or the number if they're not. There's a couple of nuisance call blocker features as well. An anonymous call blocker will stop any withheld numbers from getting through, which is something our customers tell us makes an enormous difference in practice. And for when cold callers do manage to get through, you can block up to 100 individual numbers. Finally, the TGJ320 includes a built-in answering machine with up to 40 minutes recording time. You can record your own outgoing message, and you can even pick up when a message is being left to speak to the person straight away, a once common feature that's surprisingly lacking in many modern cordless phones. So there we have it, the Panasonic KX-TGJ320, an excellent mid-range model that combines solid sound quality with a whole host of handy extra features. To find out more, or to get your hands on one for yourself, go to ligo.co.uk.